Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will draw the caliper piston as shown in the sketch on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document, for which start a new SolidWorks part document using the new SolidWorks document dialog box. Click here. The new SolidWorks document dialog box will appear. Choose the part button. Click OK. Next, creating the base feature, choose the extruded boss base button from the features command manager. Go to features command manager. Select the extruded boss base button. Select the front plane as the sketching plane from the drawing area. Select the front plane. Press the right mouse button and drag the cursor in any direction. A set of tools are arranged radially is displayed. Press the right mouse button. Drag the cursor over the circle tool provided in the mouse gesture. The circle tool is invoked. The cursor is modified. Next, move the circle cursor toward the origin and specify the center point of the circle when an orange circle is displayed at the origin. Click on the origin. Next, move the circle cursor away from the origin and specify the radius of the circle when the value above the circle cursor is displayed closer to 14. Press the right mouse button and drag it over the Smart Dimension tool in the mouse gestures. The Smart Dimension tool is invoked. Next, apply the diameter dimension of 28 to the circle. Press the right mouse button to Smart Dimension. Click on the circle. Click here. Put the value 28. Enter. Next, exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Set the value of the depth spinner to 18 in the Boss Extrude property manager. Make sure that the blind option is selected in the end condition drop-down list of the direction 1 rollout. End condition will be blind. And here, put the value 18. Choose the OK button from the property manager. Choose the OK button. Next, creating the second feature, choose the shell tool from the features command manager. The shell property manager is displayed. In the features command manager, select the shell tool. Set the value of thickness spinner to 2.5 in the shell property manager. Here put the value 2.5. Select the front face of the base feature to be removed. The name of the selected face is displayed in the face to be removed selection box of the property manager. Make sure that the shell outwards checkbox is cleared in the parameters rollout of the property manager. Choose the OK button from the shell property manager. Choose the OK button. This is how our model will look once we cover all the points. Next, saving the model. Choose the Save button from the menu bar to invoke the Save As dialog box. Next, browse to the motorcycle project folder. Also, enter Caliper Piston as the name of the model in the file name edit box and choose the Save button. The model is saved in the folder name Document Motorcycle Project Caliper Piston. Click here, select the Save As, go to Documents, select the motorcycle project, name it as Caliper Piston, choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.